What are you going to do? Hello, teacher. My name is Freddy Rene Rodriguez Villamil. This is my presentation. We are going to sell corchet to our supplier in the Medellin city. The sale depends on what usage you are going to hit the shed. What you can do maybe is you are going to buy the shed according to the thickness you need. Once you know exactly what you are going to buy, you can decide how to buy. How you decide the payment method you are going to use? What are you going to do with the second chest? She is going to use the new chest soon. She is not going to buy the thing or chat. She is going to be in the office next Monday to buy the chat. I am going to save you tomorrow after paying order the service. Thank you.